Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between cashier's check and money order. A cashier's check and a money order are both forms of payment that can be used instead of cash or personal checks, but that's where the comparisons stop. Cashier's checks are issued by a bank, are available in higher dollar amounts, are considered more secure than money orders, and have higher fees than money orders. On the other hand, money orders can usually be purchased at a check cashing store, post office, grocery store, and many other places. A money order is convenient and inexpensive. Grocery stores, post offices, check cashing stores, and many other places sell money orders. The fee to order a money order is typically a couple dollars or less, depending on where you purchase it. So, let's look into the basic differences between cashier's check and money order in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A cashier's check is issued and signed by a bank, whereas a money order can be purchased at retail stores, post offices, check cashing outlets, or banks. Number 2. A cashier's check requires the purchaser to have a bank account, whereas a money order does not require a bank account. Number 3. A cashier's check is paid through funds withdrawn directly from the depositor's bank account, whereas a money order is purchased using cash, a debit card, or a traveler's check. Number 4. A cashier's check is typically used for larger financial transactions, whereas a money order is intended for smaller payments. Number 5. A cashier's check is considered more secure and less prone to fraud, whereas a money order is comparatively less secure and more susceptible to forgery. Number 6. A cashier's check usually comes with a higher fee, whereas a money order is generally inexpensive and more accessible. Number 7. A cashier's check can be verified with the issuing bank but may still be faked, whereas a money order is easier to counterfeit and verify less reliably. Number 8. Replacing a lost or stolen cashier's check can take a long time, often weeks or months, whereas replacing a money order is relatively quick and straightforward with a receipt. Number 9. Cashier's checks are often used for large, formal transactions like buying a house or car, whereas money orders are suitable for everyday needs like paying bills or sending small amounts. And difference number 10. A cashier's check is drawn on the bank's own account, guaranteeing payment, whereas a money order is drawn on prepaid funds provided by the purchaser. So, these are the differences between cashier's check and money order. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.